Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good and doing well. Today's video is going to be yet another hair review by none other than XRSBEAUTY Hair. If you see this orange box, just know it's going to be a good video. I absolutely love XRSBEAUTY Hair. They have the best wigs, in my opinion, best lace as well. They're one of the few companies that offer clear lace, and I absolutely love that about them. I never have any problems when it comes to installing my wigs and the seamlessness of the lace. So the wig we're working with today is a curly unit. I haven't had curly hair in the longest time, and I feel like it's just a really nice change. The construction is 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle and 1 at the back, and an elastic band already fitted for you, so you literally just have to put the hair on. The knots come bleached already, the hair comes pre-plucked. Literally the lace is flawless, so clear lace. I am so excited to put this on. And curly hair, I think this is my first curly hair from XRSBeauty. Okay. So take off my towel, you see what I'm doing. Guys, please ignore all the makeup I've got all over my top. Today is just not my day. Coming close so you guys can see that gorgeous lace. Literally looks like my scalp. Now I'm gonna cut off the ear tabs. Of course, I'm using my bedhead spray. You guys know I love this spray, hasn't done me wrong. Okay guys, we're all stuck down. I'm gonna get my eyebrow razor. I'm gonna start cutting off the excess lace. Guys, I've just cut off the lace in the middle, but can we just get into the melt? This is one of the reasons I absolutely love the clear lace. It literally looks like it could be your scalp. The sides I don't care for that much because I'm going to be covering them with baby hairs. Okay guys, that was a pretty long styling session, but I feel like I got it down packed. The baby hairs look gorgeous, literally just how I wanted them. And the lace is of course melting, love that. And the quality of the curls and the hair itself, perfect, like literally so good. Yeah, I don't have really much else to say apart from the clear lace is where it's at, girl. Like, you need to get the clear lace, it's so freaking good. Would recommend over any type of lace any day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something from it. I'll leave all the info about this wig in the description box, make sure you check it out, and I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye guys. Mwah.